Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video, we're going to have a look at the market, lots to talk about and potentially some good news for people that, lost some crypto in one of those platforms that failed. So we're going to dig into all of that. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. Right, let's get down to the desktop. So we're going to start here on coin market cap. The total market cap of crypto stands at $1.42 trillion globally, down 0.19% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin at 37,133.89, still up 6.26% in the last 7 days. Ethereum breaking the 2,000 barrier at 2,053.83, up 9.30% at the time of recording in the last 7 days. So look, the market is looking more vibrant, lots more volume in the market compared to what we've seen, but still not enough in my eyes to see this as a bull market. I think this is a bear market rally, and look, we're going to come on to some of the thoughts and opinions. At the same time as saying that, I do think time is against us to be purchasing Ethereum and Bitcoin. So we're going to come on to that again in more detail in this video. So let's get to the headlines. We're going to start with this guy, Jim Cramer. Bearish Bitcoin prediction starts pump 40 days ago. Like, there is a bit of a running joke with this guy. Do the opposite of what he says when it comes to cryptocurrency. And it's almost like you're nailed on to do really, really well. Yeah, look, maybe it's a curse. I don't know. But this guy has been wrong pretty much every single time. Really interesting stuff. The Cramer, indicator is probably the way to describe it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on that in the comments below. We've got Solana's strategy, exec claims work done during the bear market is paying off. And look, there's a few things that we probably need to acknowledge when it comes to Solana, right? Like, I think that it's one that's going to do really well. I have been saying that for a few weeks alongside the likes of Chainlink and Polkadot, and we'll come on to Polkadot again shortly. But there are some things that are rather concerning with Solana. FTX hold, FTX and others hold around 17% of the circulating supply for Solana, and they are looking to liquidate assets. So, there's going to be a lot of selling pressure against Solana. Can it really reach the all-time high and go on beyond that? Even though FTX say they're going to be doing about 100 million per week, so not to, basically destroy Solana and other crypto assets, I do think that is a sustained amount of selling pressure that is going to be absorbed quite easily. And again, you're going to see, institutional level investors buying OTC, which means that they won't be buying on the market. So there's a lot of pressure there, against Solana. And I think it's something that a lot of people, particularly new people in the space, probably aren't acknowledging. I think we need to just be mindful of that, right? So let me know your thoughts and opinions. ChatGPT has predicted Solana price for 2024, 2028, 2032, and 2050. And actually, these prices, are, not that high, right? And maybe they've the AI is taken into consideration the sell pressure. I don't know, but 2024, $50. To $100 for the optimistic scenario. Again, we've already hit the $50 this year. 2028, $100, and then $200 is your optimistic scenario. 2032, $300 is your optimistic, and 2050, $1,000 is your optimistic. Look, let me know your thoughts and opinions. I think these are really lowball. Where do you think the price of Solana is likely to go this bull market? Interested to get your views and opinions. Demand for Bitcoin could grow by up to 10 times within the next 12 months, according to 𝗕𝗂𝗪𝗍𝗧. This is, something that he's been saying an awful lot. He's very pro Bitcoin. He's talking about the fact that you're going to have a lot of pressure to basically hold this asset coming from, Wall Street, institutional level, and a big monstrous fight between all these big entities to get as much Bitcoin as possible. So, I think you're going to get the same for Ethereum. I actually think Ethereum's going to actually produce higher percentage returns, and I think that because of that, also layer 2s are going to do very, very well. So that gives you kind of like where my mindset is when it comes to these ETFs and Bitcoin, Ethereum, layer 2. I do think that these are projects that are going to go on to do phenomenally well in this bull market, bear market, whatever you want to kind of call it. But, going into the bull market, we're seeing some significant gains. But the bull market's going to be really where these ones come through and shine, in my opinion. I'm going to drop this article because it is an interesting read in our Discord. Link is in the description. Free to join the Discord. Over 7,000 people in there, supporting one another, navigate the space safely. Go check it out. Definitely worth it. Another really interesting one here, and Kraken said that they're seeking partner to help build a layer 2 blockchain network. Again, Charles Hoskinson has reached out and said, contact me, basically, and we can make it happen. So I think that this is really cool. I'd love to see something happen between Kraken and Cardano, but it could happen with any of these chains. So really interesting stuff, and I wonder why they're doing it. Again, really interesting to understand more. BlackRock's Ethereum ETF plan is confirmed in NASDAQ filing. So, the world's largest asset manager has already made waves by seeking to list Bitcoin ETF. Now they're moving on to the Ethereum ETF. I do think that there's real, optimism around seeing a Chainlink ETF, a Cardano ETF, amongst others, right? I think that these are things, maybe even a VeChain ETF in the future. I think all of these things are possible and are likely to happen, but much further on down the line. I don't think this is something that's going to happen, imminently. Again, let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. We got Polkadot about to skyrocket unseen heights is the question mark. Again, just talking about volumes coming into the market, which we mentioned earlier. But, what's really interesting is something that I spotted in this article down here. Where was it? Here we go. So if DOT maintains its footing above the imminent resistance of $5.9622, this could enhance traders to target the next resistance level of $6.2416, a confirmed breakout above this point, potentially fueled by positive sentiment surrounding the broader crypto market. So look, DOT is a project that I'm expecting to do really well. I think that there's a lot of people sleeping on it, and look, we could see a promising breakout for Polkadot. I do think that we're going to see this happening shortly. I mean, we've been calling out Injective Protocol, we've been calling out Chainlink, and we've been calling out Polkadot. I just think Polkadot is primed and it's ready, and it's got huge potential. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on that. And the crypto lender Celsius network has been cleared to exit bankruptcy and return crypto assets to holders. I think that this is a fantastic way to end this video. Something that I think is super exciting, something that needs to happen in this space. Celsius did some terrible things, and it would be great for the holders of cryptocurrency on the Celsius lending platform to get their crypto back. I think that would be an absolute blinder of a result, and I think there'll be many happy people. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.